Jam everyone. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to accumulate the UBI token from the FastEarn app. All right, so I have an ambassador, what is it called, partnership from the team. All right, so yesterday, you can see it yesterday, and if you pause the video, you'll be able to read through our conversation. Then the conversation now moved to WhatsApp. That's where we made our conclusion. This is the concluding part, right? So this is our collaboration, and for those who will be using my link, you have extra privileges for using the app. So what we're actually mining on this app is the UBI, that's Universal Basic Income. All right, so it's a very potential token with a lot of utility around it, and I happen to be an ambassador right now. I was reached out yesterday, and let me quickly show you how to go through the project. So currently the app is on Play Store. The app is also on the App Store, and also you can download from the website, so whichever one you preferred. So for those using Android, you could just go ahead and install the app. It is called FastEarn. You can see it. All right, so after you've installed, so all you have to do is just to go ahead and click start. Then when you click get start, then you click log in. You can enter your email, then send OTP, or you can just go ahead and log in using sign in with Google. So you can just use sign in with Google, and you select the Google account you would like to use. All right, so after your registration, so the next thing you will do, you can see code. Click on code, then you enter the code. The referral code is invited. All right, invited, all in capital letter, invited. All right, so just click confirm and you are in. All right, so you just click yes. You see the name L David, and you click yes, combine, then you click on reward. So after you click on reward, this will give you the opportunity to set your own referral code in case you want to invite your own members. All right, so you just go ahead and click set referral code, then you enter your own preferred referral code. Click on enter your own preferred referral code. So let me just use TDCAS. All right, so you just go ahead and set your own referral code. Then you can use this referral code to onboard your own members. So it's as simple as that. So in the next phase, I'm going to teach you what you should be doing in this app. All right, guys, so welcome to the part 2 of this video. In the part 1, I showed you the step-by-step process on how to complete registration, and also the reason why you should jump into this app. You are mining UBI, that's Universal Basic Income. That's our focus. And in this part 2, I'll be showing you the activities you should be doing. All right, so the how to complete the basic task. Then in the part 3, I'll show you what you should be doing basically on the app to scale very fast. All right, so just click on get start. Then on the get start, you can see set nickname, you will see set gender, just to claim all those points. All right, so you can see it. So what you have to do right now is to come here, click on my, then you click on settings. Then you can see how to set your region. So just go ahead and set your contact. Right, you can set your contact, probably your WhatsApp, your X account if you have a X account, if you have a Telegram account. So whichever you prefer, you can choose friend or public. So like for me, if I want to set my Twitter, just go ahead, copy your Twitter ID. All right, copy your Twitter ID and paste it here, then you save. So let's do that now. All right, so I just paste in my link to my X profile, so I can just go ahead and click save. All right, so the next thing to do is to set your region. My continent is Africa, then I'm a Nigerian. Then you just go ahead and click Nigeria. Then also you can see your age. You can go ahead and set your age, your month, your year. Just go ahead and impute 1995 June 12th. Alright, so set your own. Then you save. Then the next thing to do right now is to set your gender, male, then your nickname. Alright, you can set in your nickname. Alright. Set in your nickname. Okay, that should be your username. You can set it. Alright. So I'll use Tidikas. Alright. Then you save. Then I think that's all for this section. So we can go back. Alright, so you click on get again and you will see that majority of the tasks has been completed. You can see nickname, gender, age and location has been done. So you can just go ahead and click get to claim those points. Alright, you can click get. You can see it. Alright, so click get. Alright, so immediately you click on get, you will claim all of them successfully. So the next thing to do right now, you can see you can click here to watch an ad. You can click here to claim 500G. So I just finished watching the ad. You can click on get to claim the point. Alright, so the next thing you should be doing right now on this app, alright, so you can click on, you can see is by feeding your bird daily. Just ensure you are feeding your bird daily. Click on food. Alright, you can see that I just fed the bird with about 200 gram, as you can see here. Alright, so you go ahead and just click on skip. Full it simply means you have fed the bird, so keep on feeding according to the time. Once the time is the countdown is off, you just come back and feed the bird consistently. So the more you feed the bird, the more you generate the ORA, the ore token and the gold ore. So the essence of this gold ore and ore is to be staked. So you have to stake your gold ore and ore, right, to earn the UBI. So this is how you go on earn. Alright, so once you click on earn, you click on income. Alright, so by default, so you just go ahead and pledge, get started, then you stake, click on stake, then you confirm payment. Alright, so what you do for the ore, you stake, you always take 75%. The reason for that, so that you can use the rest to play the Monopoly game. So I'm going to show you that. So I just take 75% of my ore in order to claim to automatically earn UBI. Remember, the target is to gather more UBI tokens. Alright, so you go ahead and pledge the gold ore. You click on it, then you pledge your gold ore, pledge 75%, then you stake. Alright, so I just take 75% of the ore, of the gold ore. Then I can shift this screen, move. You see Monopoly. Click on Monopoly. This is the Monopoly game. Go to 5x. Just move to 5x. 5x. So the reason why you are doing 5x, so that you can do it 5 times. You just pay once and you start rolling the dice. Alright, you roll the dice and you just click. You can be activating immediately, or you can just do everything, then you start activating. Then Okay, insufficient, invite credit. All right, so for now, just claim all the points. All right, just so it will give you liberty to spin 5 times. So all these are different values. You are claiming different things. All right, so subsequently, I'm going to tell you the reason why you are doing this and why it is necessary for you to do. But for now, just ensure you are following the step-by-step guide I'm giving in this video. All right, so you do this once in a day, just 24 hours, and that's all. Remember what I said, we are mining UBI, that's universal basic income, and that's our focus. So the reason, and we have staked our ORE so that we can earn more UBI. So there are other tasks that are here. So the more you are engaged, so the more you will be open to claim other exclusive reward, and just ensure to be consistent and try to also refer so that you gain more, you'll be able to complete more of those tasks that are here. So you can read through the tasks and see the ones that you are eligible to claim. So you just go ahead and claim. This is a new account, and for sure you may not be able to claim many of the tasks, but you can just go ahead. You can see I've played Monopoly once, so I can go ahead and claim this task. All right, I can go ahead and claim this tax since I've played Monopoly once. All right, so tax has been taken. All right, so you can also read through. I don't want this video to be that lengthy. I've set my referral code so I can claim this task. So you just go ahead and basically read through all the tax so that you know the ones that you are eligible for claim. So you just go ahead and claim them. Remember, the essence is to gather UBI token, and for you to do that, you will need to feed your bird on a daily basis. While you feed the bird regularly, I have 4 hours left for me to refeed the bird again. So after 4 hours, I'll come back and feed the bird. I'll gather more gold ORE and ORE, and the essence of all this is to stake the ORE, keep staking, keep adding to your pledge, and the more ORE and gold, ORE gold you stake, the faster the UBI mining. So you mine automatically, so you have nothing to do. All you have to do is to stake, and it will automatically mine for you. So you can go through the the tutorial, just read through, and you are going to learn so many things about this app. They are building so much. All right, so they are new, but they are building so much, and I want you to also leverage on what is on ground. So subsequently, I'm going to make a brief overview on what to be doing on the app to scale even more faster. All right, this is El David. Ensure you follow my network, like, share, and also subscribe to this channel for subsequent updates. Thank you. See you in my next video.